Modification of the Yaesu FT1D digital radio. Um, Out of the box, you cannot transmit in GMRS, MURS, in any of those frequencies. As you can see here, it won't transmit. So what we're going to do is power it off, remove the back door, the battery, and if you look, there is this rubber seal, which there are some components behind. Be very careful so you don't rupture these. And inside, we're gonna see a couple components. We're interested in removing that resistor in the center. It's labeled 000. And once we remove it, we should be able to reset the radio and be able to access and expand our range, expand the capabilities of this radio. There's a couple of ways of doing this. You can use a soldering iron and remove it. And the other way is by just grabbing some small pliers and just breaking it and removing it. Either way, it will work. Just be careful that you don't leave any debris inside and that you don't damage any additional components. So we're gonna try and desolder it. As you can see, I have breaking it. There is debris there, so I'm gonna clean it up. I had to use a small cutter to rip it off. The soldering iron was not having a clean effect, and it was just overheating the motherboard, and of course you don't want to do that. So now I'm gonna clean that up and get it ready for you. Okay, we have removed it, and it's okay, clean. Could be better, but I'll take care of it later. I'm having problems with my soldering iron properly heating up the contacts to the point of where it liquefies the metal. But so we're gonna carefully replace our water seal. Push it very carefully. Make sure it closes tightly and flush, that there's no wrinkles in it, as you can see there. Okay. Now we're gonna replace the battery, and we're gonna test it. Okay, it has reset. We know the radio has reset, and we will try a frequency that we could not use before. Okay, we're going to enter a frequency for 62,550. We know this is a GMRS channel 15, and we were not able to transmit on that before, and now we are able to. Now, for those that only have a ham radio license, this is not necessarily a license that you can use, or you need a license on that. I have my license to transmit on GMRS. So just be careful that you know the capabilities of your license, or what frequencies you can use. Like MURS, you don't need a license for that. But obviously this radio is not legal for MURS. But hope this has been helpful to you, and it's a very useful radio that I use for multiple applications, and it's good to have this broad range, especially when you travel to other countries. You may want to be able to use the free licenses or the free frequencies in those places. Well, thank you for watching, and hopefully this was useful to you.